Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to show you how to access free Fab content in Unreal Editor for Fortnite. This is really cool, and there's some assets in there that you might find advantageous to your game or whatever it is you're trying to create or film. So if I go start game, I just loaded in a cross. I just want to show you what this looks like. So you come in here, and then we've got these crosses that you won't find anywhere else. And these assets they're actually visually a lot different from, I think, the other assets that you find in the game. Some of the Fab content really looks good compared to some of the stock stuff that's in there. This has a lot more photorealistic quality to it. Even though these have been scaled, so they might not have the greatest resolution, but from a distance, I think it's pretty cool. So anywho, to do this, I'm going to go back into here. So what we do is we come up here to Fab. We click this. And there's a lot of assets that you can buy. Like there's this one here for a whole World War II town that looks very photorealistic. So if you're wanting to figure out how to make your Fortnite game not look like Fortnite, this is how you would start. You'd start with getting assets that look more photorealistic rather than these low poly cartoon ones. And then what you can do is just come up here and search under for free, and then a lot of things will start popping up. They have a lot of rocks in here for free. A lot of stuff you probably might be good for the background. They're not giving away too much crazy stuff for free. But like an avocado, they'll give you that for free. A turnip probably. I don't know if there's a turnip in here, but they probably give me a turnip for free. Considering how much other stuff they give for free, you can't really complain. But look at this. Here's a lintel. It's kind of a cool looking thing. So let's say you want this. Then you have your choice of add as referenced asset, which is what it recommended. And it sounds like you're going to have more of a hard time if you go with this modifiable one. And so they're recommending this for a reason. So probably just go ahead and get that. And then you have this choice of, you can add it straight away to your content browser, or you can add it to your library, which is probably more convenient. So you just click add to your library. And now it's referenced that asset. So if you want to know, well, where is your library? That was my question. That's why I made this tutorial. It's over here. So you have home, and then you have my library right here. So you click this, and then I've gone through and I've selected a bunch of assets that I thought were kind of fun or cool or whatever. So I have them in my library now, so I can get them pretty easy access. So then if I'm ready to bring in my asset, like let's say I have this Roman statue, now I can just add to content browser. And it's stored, I guess it's storing a link, it's downloading it as you need it versus storing it on your computer or somewhere. So that's my kind of understanding of it. So once you're done, then you can just close this window or minimize it. And if you come into your project folder, you'll see you have a folder now just for reference content. So if you come into all, I guess, you'll now have a folder just for reference content. You double click. Now I have this. I can drag this onto my scene. I don't know how big this thing is. I haven't looked at it yet. It's kind of small. I guess it's really small. I don't even barely see it. Let's see here. There it is. It's pretty tiny, isn't it? If I lock my scale, I should be able to make this bigger, kind of like a Prometheus thing. And I have this cool statue thing that looks a lot more photorealistic than a lot of the other assets do. There's really a qualitative difference in these Fab assets versus the stock prefab. It really gets away from that Fortnite look. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.